everyone! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2025 Hyundai Venue. From its specs to pricing and release date, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's get started. The Hyundai Venue first hit the market back in 2020 and has quickly become a favorite in the subcompact SUV segment. For 2025, it looks like we're in for more of the same. That's right, the 2025 Venue will carry over the same design and features as the current model, with just one small change. The green apple color will be replaced by the new Mirage Green. While we don't have any official photos of the 2025 model just yet, we can expect it to keep that unassuming, sleek look we all know. However, many fans are hoping for a redesign in the next year or two. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Inside, the Venue comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and 2 USB ports. While it would be great to see more features added, keep in mind that this is the most affordable SUV in Hyundai's lineup. So, we're likely to see these features carry over into the 2025 model. Under the hood, the 2025 Venue will stick with the tried-and-true 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 121 horsepower and 113 pound-feet of torque. It'll come with a continuously variable automatic transmission and front-wheel drive as standard. Not a powerhouse, but perfect for city driving. Safety is always a priority, and the Venue doesn't disappoint. Expect a comprehensive suite of standard safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Optional features like blind spot monitoring will also be available. Now let's talk money. While we don't have the official pricing for the 2025 Venue just yet, the current model ranges from $21,275 to $24,525. Expect a slight increase in price for the new model. And mark your calendars, the 2025 Hyundai Venue is expected to hit dealerships in late October 2024. So there you have it! The 2025 Hyundai Venue is shaping up to be a solid option for those looking for an affordable, reliable subcompact SUV. What are your thoughts? Are you excited for this model? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time!